Good afternoon, guys, and God bless you. Carlos here with Serranos Mobile Detail in Dallas, Texas. Thank you so much for joining me on today's video. Happy Monday, by the way. I hope you guys had a blessed overall weekend with your family, with your friends. So it is reveal time, guys. After the tire curing for a good 2 days, on Saturday, I did a product review with the Armor All wheel cleaner and as well as their tire coating. How did it hold up? How did it cure? I was very skeptical on this product. I'm sure you guys are already tired of seeing all these Armor All videos in every platform. But I wanted to give it the benefit of the doubt, and as I promised, I would have a video for you guys today. How did it do? Let's find out. Hey guys, so we are very close to the end of this video. I want to see if this tire dressing really works. So I'm grabbing some mud that I found here. Since it says dirt repellency, then we're gonna see if that's true. So I hope you guys can hear me. I'm literally just chunking it at it. We'll see what it does. Let me do one more round. We will rinse this off and let's see how good it cured. Alright, that should be pretty good. Let's get you guys closer. Again, I apologize for the noise. So, let's hit it with the power washer and let's see what happens, guys. I literally grabbed mud from here and let's see what happens. So I'm gonna start just spraying it from far. Okay. It's definitely repelling the dirt. Look at the wheel. Look at that wheel, guys. Oh yeah. Guys, this thing is insane. Let me see if I can get you guys an up close real quick. I don't want to make this video very long, so just bear with me. But check it out, guys. Look at the wheel. Let's see if we can get closer. Alright, here we go. Check the wheel out. It is definitely repelling everything off that wheel that I cleaned on Saturday. Every little area. And overall, the tire, it cleaned out very well. Very good after it literally, all that mud just came right off. Wow. Alrighty, guys. So I hope that that video kind of helped you guys make a decision on the product. Does it work? To some, this is a crappy product. To some others, it's a great product. At the end of the day, you might be the user on the end of it, and you guys can make yourself your own opinion. At the end of the day, mine is just an opinion. It's an input. I am by no means saying go buy it, but sometimes I do like to test products out, especially when they're in orange cans. But to finish this video, just want to give a quick final thoughts on it. The ceramic wheel cleaner, it definitely performed very well after it cured and everything, I guess. Today, hitting it with water, it definitely beat it. It definitely helped rinse that wheel off much better. All right. And obviously, I'm gonna keep an eye on it as well. And the Armor All ceramic tire coating, I was very skeptical about this one, to be honest. It looked like it was going to be slinging everywhere today. But after I drove I think I drove over 100 miles today, I see no sling on my vehicle, and I really checked it out. I honestly put a date on my panel next to that tire with 5/1, which is when I applied the tire coating. We'll keep an eye on it, and I'll let you guys know exactly how long it lasts once it starts fading away and stuff. But overall, guys, it did what it's supposed to. Dirt repellency. I used some dirt over there where I was at on location and put it all over the tire, rinsed it off. Some may say that wasn't the proper way to do it. I apologize, but in the moment, that's the quickest thing I could find, and it definitely surprised me, as well as the rinse off. And at the end, it still had some amazing gloss on that tire. So overall, for this little Armor All series, guys, some may hate it, some may love it. You know, it is all on your side. At the end of the day, guys, I'm very pleased with both of these products, to be honest, as well as the window cleaner from Armor All that I did, which as of right now, I think that video has about 200,000 views, which is truly it's mind-blowing, to be honest. I never really expect people to be seeing my stuff, and to see 200,000 views on a video, it's truly a blessing, to be honest. But at the end of the day, if you haven't seen the beginning intro of these videos of when I did this video, I'm gonna try to put that video here. If not, I think it'll be here. But since I really don't know how to edit, it might end up being like down here or something. But anyways, I hope you guys have a blessed Monday. God bless you guys, and I'll see you guys tomorrow, hopefully with another video.